Good morning everyone. Today we will be fixing this 2004 Infiniti fx35. We will be cleaning the mass airflow and air filter for this car. So let's get started. So this car has a rough idle, so that's the reason why we will be cleaning the mass airflow and then the air filter. So first we will disconnect the connection for the mass airflow. And then there were like 4 clips for the air box or the air filter box. One more there, and then one over here. And also we will be removing this plastic cover. Just get a small screw and then push this, then just go. Now let's remove this. Now, wow, it's so dirty. So that's the air filter. Wow, look at how dirty it is. Let's clean this. So see the mass airflow right there? We will clean that. You don't need to remove it, just spray a mass airflow cleaner. So now we will be using this mass airflow cleaner, then just spray it. There you go. And then just let it dry. For the air filter, we will be using an air gun. Now everything is clean, let's put it back together. So now put back the connection. There you go. Then tighten this. Let's put back this one too. So everything is back. So let's gonna start the car and then let's check if there's still a rough idle for this car. So far so good. No rough idle, no shaking of engine. So I guess we fixed the problem. So there you go, guys. A quick fix for a rough idle for 2004 Infiniti fx35. That's all for now, and I hope you like the video and have a good day.